Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project BMP180 sensor using Arduino Uno with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need BMP180 sensor, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect STA on the BMP180 sensors to Arduino pin A4. And connect SCL on the BMP180 sensors to Arduino pin A5. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using the Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see the serial monitor that shows the room temperature, pressure, etc. For example, by reading the pressure, you can calculate altitude changes in real time, which is useful for drones, balloon, flights, or any altitude related projects. The same mechanism is used in this project. Thank you.